How to fix KB5101650 install error 0x80070002 in Windows 11. Hello friends, follow the steps. Start with try installing update from Microsoft Update Catalog. For this, launch a browser. Type Microsoft Update Catalog in the address bar. Press enter. Click on this link which says Microsoft Update Catalog. In the search box, type KB5101650 and click on search. You will find multiple files in the result. Find the file compatible with your system. If you are unaware about your system type or version, then click on start, click on settings, go to system, scroll down, click on about. Here is system type. Mine is 64-bit operating system and 25H2 version. Check yours and find the file. This one is for 25H2 and x64 based systems. Once found, click on the respective download button. Click on the link that includes KB5101650. Let the downloading complete. Once downloaded, click on the File Explorer icon from the taskbar. Click on Downloads. Right click on this just downloaded MSU file and select Open. On my computer, the security update is already installed. You will get a pop-up on your computer for confirmation. Click on Yes and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. The next method is fix problems using Windows Update. For this, click on Start, then click on Settings, then click on System, scroll down and click on Recovery. Here is fix problems using Windows Update. Click on Reinstall now. Click on OK. After clicking on OK, the repair version of Windows 11 25H2 will be automatically started downloading. Wait for the downloading to complete. Here it is, Windows 11 version 25H2 repair version. Once downloading is 100% completed, here you will get Restart Now button. Click on this button and wait for some time to complete the installation of the repair version. After the repair version is installed, again go to Start, Settings, Windows Update and here click on Check for Updates. Check for Updates will be apparent here. After the security update is downloaded, restart and install that update. The next method is reset Windows Update components. For this, click on Search, type CMD, right click on Command Prompt, select Run as Administrator. Once command prompt is on a screen, go to the video description to find some commands. You will find these commands in the video description. You have to run these commands one line at one time. Copy the first line, paste into the command prompt and press enter. Copy the second line, paste into the command prompt, press enter. In the same way, run all these commands. After running these commands, close the command prompt and restart your computer. Then check for updates. If the issue still persists, modify services. Click on Search, type Services, click on Services. On the Services window, go to the bottom part of the screen and right click on Windows Update. Select Properties. Make sure that a startup type is automatic here. If it is not automatic, then click on this drop down and select Automatic and click on Apply. Service status must be running here. If the service status is not running, you will see the Start button highlighted here. Click on that and click on OK. In the same manner, go to App Readiness, right click on this service, select Properties, change the startup type to automatic if it is not, and click on Apply. Click on Start if the service is stopped. Click on OK. Do the same with Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Right click on this service, select Properties, change the startup type to automatic. Click on Apply. Click on Start and click on OK. At last, go to the cryptographic services, right click on this service, select properties, make sure that the startup type is automatic and the service is running. Both are fine here, so nothing to do. Click on OK. After doing all that, close the services window and go to Windows Update Settings page. Click on Check for Update here, which will be showing. If the problem still occurs, then run SFC and DISM command line tools. For this, click on Search, type CMD, right click on Command Prompt, select Run as Administrator, go to the video description. You will find these commands. Copy the first line of command to run SFC scan now. Paste into the command prompt and press enter. Wait until the process is 100% completed. Once completed, copy the DISM Restorehealth command, paste into the command prompt and hit enter. Once completed, close the command prompt and restart your computer and try to install the security update. If any of the methods doesn't work, then perform in place upgrade. For this, launch a browser, type Windows 11 download, press enter, click on this link which says download Windows 11, scroll down and reach download Windows 11 disk image ISO for x64 devices. Here click on the drop down and select this option for x64. If your device is x64 based, if your device is ARM64 based, then click on this link and follow the steps accordingly. For x64 device, click on confirm. Now you have to choose the product language. To ensure what is the language of your system, go to Start, Settings, Time and Language, Language and Region. This is the product language. For me, it is on my computer, it is English United States. Check yours and choose the same in this drop down. Click on Confirm. Click on 64-bit download. Let this downloading complete. Once completed, open the File Explorer. Go to the Downloads folder, right click on the ISO file, select Mount. On this pop-up, click on Open, right click on setup.exe, select Open and check this box. This option takes much more time, so uncheck it and click on Next. Click on Accept. At last, click on Install. Your computer will restart 2-3 times and the security update will be installed, including Windows 11. That's all, friends. Thanks for watching the video.